Hi everyone, we are from a civic group that stands for workers' rights, especially the right to fair wages. And imagine this, you work long hours, sometimes even overtime. Pero pagdating sa sahod, kulang pa rin sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan. Hindi ba't parang unfair? And fair wages are not a luxury. This is a right. Ayon sa International Labor Organization or ILO, every worker deserves a wage that allows them and their families to live with dignity. Ibig sabihin, ang sweldo ng bawat manggagawa should be enough for food, housing, education, and health needs ng worker at ng pamilya niya. Dito sa Pilipinas, malinaw din ito. Sa 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 13, Section 3, sinasabi na may karapatan ang manggagawa sa just and humane conditions of work at living wages. Kapag kulang ang sahod, hindi lang buhay ang naapektuhan, pati ang dignidad at kinabukasan nila. So why it is matters? Kapag maayos ang sweldo, motivated ang workers at mas productive sa trabaho. According to the ILO Decent Work Agenda, fair pay helps reduce poverty and inequality at nakakatulong din sa mas matatag na ekonomiya. And fair pay leads to fair work. Simple lang. As youth and future workforce ng bansa, we have a voice and responsibility. Be aware of labor issues, speak up when you see injustice, support policies like the Wage Rationalization Act or the RA 6727 and organizations that advocate for workers' welfare. Kapag pinrotektahan natin ang rights ng workers ngayon, pinrotektahan din natin ang future natin. So remember this, one day of honest works deserves one day of fair pay. Sama-sama tayo sa laban para sa makatarungang sahod, para sa manggagawa, para sa pamilya, at para sa kinabukasan nating lahat. Maraming salamat.